Folks, are you stuck making 10-second clips and then spending days stitching everything together? Imagine creating cinematic AI videos with professional transitions, voiceover, and fully animated characters all in one platform. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into Atlabs, an AI movie maker that creates up to 10-minute videos from one prompt with full frame-by-frame editing control. Guys, we'll go step by step, generating a script from a simple idea and selecting characters. Then we'll edit each scene and export the final video. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just curious about AI clips, this tutorial is just for you. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Guys, Atlabs is a tool that positions itself as the fastest AI video maker out there. Its key feature is end-to-end video creation. That means no third-party software is needed. Generation, editing, and voiceover all happen in one place. We'll go through the entire process. I'll show you how to go from an initial idea to a finished film and save hours of work. Friends, we are inside the platform. This is the main Atlabs dashboard. As you see, there are no confusing menus. The developers clearly focused on simplicity. At the top, there's a quick create bar where you can type in your idea, choose a style, and hit generate video. This works well for short tests, but we're aiming a bit higher here, a full-length clip. Here you'll find the main modes: script, audio to video, and avatar. We're going to use script to video, which turns your text into a complete story made up of multiple scenes. In the text field, you can paste a script or just start with an idea. Atlabs quickly turns it into a complete clip. The process has 3 steps: script, set style, and finalize cast. Mates, I begin with a simple prompt for a cinematic trailer about a space explorer discovering an ancient city on Mars. That's just the idea, so we click AI script writer and describe what we want to see in the video. Here we choose the storytelling genre, describe the idea, and set the duration to 10 minutes. It fits our theme best and gives us a clear narrative structure, just like a real film. Friends, let's move on to the next step. The story is ready and we already have our main character, Dr. Alex Myers. From here, we go to Set Style, where we define how the video will look. We choose the classic horizontal format, 16:9, and pick a cinematic visual style. I'll go with the recommended AI video style and click Next. So far, everything is pretty straightforward and quick. Finally, we reach the last step, Finalize Cast. Here we select our actor, and I want Alex Myers to be a 35-year-old woman. The interesting part is that the AI has already analyzed the script and generated details like her appearance, spacesuit, and equipment. Mates, this helps keep the character consistent across all scenes. You can also choose someone from the character library or even upload your own. For the voice, I'll pick a deep, engaging storytelling option, and that works perfectly for me. At this point, everything is ready, so I click Generate Video and wait for the result. All in all, the process is simple, smooth, and saves a huge amount of time compared to doing everything manually. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Guys, welcome to the editor. This is where we see the final result of our work. On the left, you've got the full storyboard, basically all the scenes of your film laid out in order. The AI has already done a huge amount of work for us, but let's be real, it's not always perfect on the first try. Normally, with other tools, you'd have to regenerate the whole project and just hope it turns out better. But here you get frame-by-frame control, so you can pick any specific scene and tweak it exactly the way you want, without starting from scratch. Alright folks, let's take a look at what we've generated.
In a world where the unknown always beckons, what lies beyond our blue skies? Meet Dr. Alex Myers, a lone explorer braving the vastness of Mars. But Alex isn't here to conquer. Alex seeks to discover. A whisper of ancient legend, a myth of forgotten cities hidden in Martian dust. They said it was impossible. A city thriving once, now buried and silent. Yet Alex found it, an alien city waiting beneath red sands. How did Alex get here? Years of study, mapping every Martian valley and peak. The red planet challenges, but it also reveals for those who dare to look. Imagine the excitement, the first human eyes on alien architecture.
Even though we set it to up to 10 minutes, the AI gave us around 3 minutes of content, and honestly that's more than enough for a demo. Overall, the result looks really solid, but let's refine a few moments to make it even better. For example, we can go into the first frame, click Edit Image, and describe what we want to change. I'll just describe the scene. For example, an astronaut walking across the Martian surface. Then we can turn this static image into motion. Basically, Atlabs lets us define shots, like shot 1, shot 2, and choose from different animation models. Guys, what's really cool is that you're not just animating, you're kind of directing. You can add camera movements like zoom-ins or pans and turn a simple frame into a cinematic shot. And just like that, we get a short video clip, around 5 seconds, exactly what we needed. And now, guys, comes the final touch that really brings everything together. Let's make our character actually speak. For this, I take the frame with the base commander and apply lip sync using Sync 2, so that the character matches the narrator's voice. And here's the result.
In a world where the unknown always beckons, what lies beyond our blue skies?
As you can see, it looks fine. The system automatically detects the face, analyzes the voice, and generates realistic facial movement. So you don't have to animate anything manually. So overall, what we've done here is go from a simple idea to a fully structured video with a storyline, characters, voiceover, and animation, all inside one platform. Folks, we can also preview the result in different formats: portrait, square, or standard landscape for YouTube. And at this point, all that's left is to export the video and upload it to your social media. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Atlabs is the simplest all-in-one AI movie maker, letting you create long-form studio-quality videos in minutes. From a simple idea to a polished clip, you can generate scripts, create characters, animate motion, and edit scenes in one platform. Plus, it adapts to any project style. From cinematic storytelling to tutorials or social media clips, the platform makes it effortless. It saves hours of work while giving you full creative control, whether you're making a short film or any other project. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.